देखेंगे। कोफिशिएंट ऑफ सेल्फ इंडक्शन ऑफ ए लॉन्ग सोलिनॉइड। दिस इज अ लॉन्ग सोलिनॉइड. Long solenoid means a solenoid whose length is much larger than its diameter. Diameter है few centimeter, तो length है meters में. This is called long solenoid. The total number of turns in the solenoid, capital N, small a is the length of solenoid. A is the cross-sectional area of each turn, cross-sectional area of solenoid. So you have set up a current I, a current steady current I is set up in the solenoid. So the magnetic field induced inside the long current carrying solenoid mu naught Ni. N is the number of turns per unit length. Mu naught, the magnetic permeability of free space, since we consider that there is free space inside this long solenoid. Then magnetic flux linked with each loop. Magnetic flux linked with one loop, it will be equals to magnetic flux, magnetic field, cross dot product of magnetic field vector and area vector, which is BA cos 0. Why it is 0? Because the magnetic field in direction of magnetic field and the perpendicular drawn on the area of loop is along the same direction. A vector and magnetic field vector both are in the same direction. ये आपका magnetic field है. This is the direction of magnetic field. And this, my hand, consider this, my hand is one loop. There must be a loop here. I must have. This is the loop. This is one loop. Suppose it is one loop of the coil. So the perpendicular drawn on the loop. This is the perpendicular drawn on the loop. This is the face of loop. The perpendicular drawn on the plane of loop. It is area vector. So area vector and magnetic field vector both are parallel to each other. They are in the same direction. So angle between them is 0. Magnetic flux linked with each loop BA cos 0, phi B dash. I write it phi B dash. What is B? Mu naught Ni, mu naught Ni into area of each area of cross section of each loop, area of cross section of solenoid. Magnetic flux linked with the solenoid, the magnetic flux linked with the entire solenoid. What? It will be equals to magnetic flux linked with each turn into number of turns. There is some magnetic flux linked with this turn, this turn, this turn, this turn. So what is the total magnetic flux linked with the entire solenoid? Magnetic flux linked with each turn multiplied by magnetic field strength. Oh, sorry, number of turns. So mu naught Nia, this is the magnetic flux linked with each turn into total number of turns. Here I substituted total number of turns per unit length as total number of turns divided by length of solenoid. Mu naught N square Ia. This is the magnetic flux linked with the solenoid. By the definition of self-induction, magnetic flux link is equals to Li. Compare both them. L is equals to mu naught N square A by L Henry. Clearly, this coefficient of self-induction entirely depend upon the structure of solenoid. It depends upon the total number of turns. Solenoid. How many turns are there? It depends upon the length of solenoid. It depends on the area of solenoid. It depends upon the medium inside the solenoid. All these are the physical parameters, physical structure of solenoid. Remember, this coefficient of self-induction does not depend upon the current through the solenoid. It does not depend upon the current through the solenoid. It is entirely the physical property of solenoid. It depends only on the physical structure of solenoid. What is the medium between the solenoids? If there is some medium, then you will substitute mu naught as mu, the magnetic permeability of that medium. Here we have considered that there is air or free space inside the solenoid, and hence we are using what? Magnetic permeability of free space.